Hi, my name is Jonathan Love. I'm a school counselor here at Thomas Middle School. And here I am right there in the corner. And I wanted to do a quick walkthrough for parents on how to sign up for your student-led conferences that are happening this week on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday with your students' advisory class. So here I am. I'm logged into um, Skyward Family Access, which you can get to at the district website. Let me see if I can bring that up just to make it um, a little bit more visual. So if you don't have it on your homepage, you can just go to the school district website and then families and Skyward right there. And then you're going to use your login and password. So I'll walk through that also. Actually, and here I am in my Skyward Family Access. Then I'm going to open that up. And then here we are. Now, if you're like me and you have more than one student in our school district, you're going to need to select the particular student you want to schedule a conference for. So I'm going to pick Zachary. And now I have all of Zachary's information, upcoming events. And I'm going to go down here to where it says conferences. I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to see Mr. Powers. And there's a conference I am already scheduled for with him from 1:30 to 1:50. Now, if for some reason you don't have a conference scheduled, you can go to all conferences, and then I'm going to go here to select a time, and this is going to show all of his available times. And all you would need to do is click and select on the conference date and time that you want to have that with him. And all of these are virtual, so you're not going to be coming into the school. You would just have your student log into Teams on their district laptop, and that's how you would be there for conference. And then once you've signed up, it will in fact show up just like this, Thursday, November 18th from 1:30 to 1:50, scheduled connections, Mr. Powers. Now, the only ones that you need to schedule with is the connections class. You might see other pop-ups for teachers for like first period, third period, or whatever it's going to be, but really this is the only one that the students are being required to sign up for. And hopefully this was a useful tutorial for you. Hope you all get scheduled for student-led conferences, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.